HP 15 laptop, unable to power on. We connect DC power supply. See, there is a shorting in laptop. Laptop is short dead, 19 volt short. Suddenly ampere high and voltage down, and red light is blinking. This is indicate that there is a 19 volt shorting. Let's open and repair the board. Lots of dust inside. See the condition of laptop, very bad condition. This component is shorted to the ground. We remove this component and replace this component. See, this component is shorted to the ground, also burn. We remove and replace these components. Let's assemble the board in cabinet and check display is coming or not, or board is on or not. Motherboard is on now. See, and display also coming in my pen drive. This case study of HP laptop short dead is now complete. Thank you. Laptop is powered on now.